Hey there friends, welcome to another Amazon unboxing. Today, we're checking out a foot massager. Well, a foot and leg and hand and massager. Nice. Tape with no joke. Alright. So, in a box. The Tisscare foot and calf massager. Come on. Alright. Plenty of tape on here. Let's get a weapon. Alrighty. Hopefully we can make a difference here with the scissors. So this runs about $189 on Amazon. And my wife has some bad foot pain, probably plantar fasciitis, but oh, come on. Come on down to there. Anytime. Okay. That. And this. And. Alright, so first off, it's got this little remote for on-off, auto, time, speed, heating, and direction. All right. Put this on that. There we go. Doing this in the garage, so I don't want to put it on the cement floor. Okay. Take out the bag here. Check it out. So, what these little zippers are for here. Okay, so looks like this whole little cloth thing, you can just remove it if it gets dirty and just clean it, so that's kind of cool. Where is the plug-in for this? Okay, up under here, looks like we have, you can tie your cord up. That's kind of cool. And let's see how long this cord is. This will be about a 4-foot cord. It's got some nice kind of foam pads on the bottom there. Right here. All right. It's not a very long cord. Might have to use an extension cord, so I would like a little bit longer one. Okay, so it has these buttons on the side, and it looks like you can adjust the height. Push one. Okay, push both at the same time there. But you can use it to, this goes under here as well, so you can adjust the height. So it goes every few inches, so if you want it at a different angle or something, or you're putting your calves in there to get a massage, you can adjust that. So it's kind of easy. All right, has some little bumpers here. You can also use this as a handle, I think, to carry it around. Like I said, what's it weigh? Probably 10 pounds, so it's not bad. Let's go test it out. I'm pretty excited. Let's go see what this thing feels like. Okay, well, we're plugged in. Just gonna hit the power button here. It's quiet. It feels pretty good. If I can move my feet, that does. Okay, so it's got some, like, it feels like a big roller in there, and then some smaller ones. Let's see if I can move it down this way. Oh yeah. So you can, wherever you put your feet in there, there's like the little ones right here are really getting my upper foot there. And then you can move it down a little bit, or to maybe massage where you want it to, I guess. So there's that. Now we have the auto. I'm not really seeing a huge difference in the auto and what they do. But there's manual. Manual, I can make the time longer. 20-minute massage. 25-minute massage. 30-minute massage. Or 5-minute. Okay, and then it has 3 speeds. And the faster this little thing goes around there, the faster it is. There's slow. And then direction. It'll stop and it'll start going the other way, which feels kind of cool. That's a good pressure too. It's not like a weak one where it's like not barely squeezing. People like a nice hard massage. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the heater. Little flames come on there. So that actually feels pretty good, guys. As far as foot massages go, not bad. It's not like hurting me. Sometimes you put some in one and they'll like. I had an old massage chair, and sometimes it would go haywire and it would get stuck on like pressurizing, and the airbags would like start crushing your calf muscles. So it was kind of scary actually. This one feels pretty good. We're actually going to try on the calf muscles now, and we'll see how that works. So we're just going to, let's see, turn this off and set it up for calves now. All right, guys, so I just pushed the little buttons in on each side. I can't really show you because I'm holding my phone, but basically, if you were to do it with both hands and push it in and just kind of rotate this down or whatever. And so I have it at this adjusted angle there. Got my calves in there. Let's give this thing a shot here with the, let's turn the power on. Okay, that's kind of nice. Turn the heater on, get the speed going. Oh yeah, if I could just move my calves down a little bit more too. Oh yeah, so you could lay down, put this into bed. That's a nice little massage there. More speed. Let's do reverse the direction too. Okay. That's pretty nice, guys. It actually feels really good. But it's not for me, it's for the wife. So we're gonna go see how she likes it. Okay, here we go. And then you can adjust the speed. With the direction, you can go the opposite direction. And then you go speed, and the little thing goes faster there. Got 3 different speeds. And you can, if it doesn't get one spot in your foot, I was moving my foot either back or forward, and it'll adjust. I mean, you can feel the different massages there.
Feels so good.
Yeah.
Move it in the heels.
Okay, so like maybe move your foot a little bit so it gets to heel.
Ooh, ow.
Mm-hmm. Try some heat on there.
Oh,
Little
yes.
flames come on there.
Right.
Flames, fire.
That feels good.
It
How
does,
about a little bit harder?
Doesn't go any harder.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm. You can go faster or slower or change
Faster.
That's as fast as it goes right there. You change the direction. Does it have like little flame? Oh, it does. It has like little flame things coming up there. Okay. That's cool. Little LED. So I thought it felt pretty good, but your feet are really hurting. So how does it feel?
I like it, but I like it like squeeze really hard.
I mean, maybe you could put like 3 pairs of socks on, and then it'd be like thicker, and then it'd squeeze even harder because your feet are so small.
What does the speed do?
It just, if you go like slow. What was that?
Because I moved it up on my bone.
Oh. They're slow. So you can play with the remote.
Heat is just the same,
Yeah, the heat's just the one.
not the like high or low.
It just has one heat setting. You gotta kind of aim the remote at it and it works. There we go.
Is this the timer thing? 13.
Yeah, it goes like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna try it out for 15 minutes to see how you feel, because you can barely walk. Okay, now the calf massage. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how was the foot massage?
I would say 6,
The sickest.
because I like
A little bit harder massage.
hard foot massage.
Yeah.
But when my foot was on, I actually move around, like push my feet in.
Mm-hmm.
That helped.
So you can adjust your foot on it, like I was talking about earlier, and push down, like your heel down in there, and adjust your foot, and it'll massage different areas and move it forward or move it back. So that's kind of cool. And then the calf massage is pretty good as well. That like kind of the way it circulates around, like pushing, like helping with your blood circulation and stuff too. So it does feel pretty good, that's for sure. Alrighty, friends. So, all in all, if you're looking for a decent little foot massager, calf massager, I tried my forearms in there. It was kind of just massage kind of difficult. I mean, it's a little, that's pretty good, but I mean, it was kind of painful for me. But as far as on the feet and the calves, has decent heat in there, and you can adjust your feet for nice varying massages and stuff. So definitely think it's worth it. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you found it enlightening. That's the word I was looking for. Useful. I'll link this product in the description below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.